The Lost Treasure of Old Town. Once upon a time, in a small village called Old Town, there was a story about a hidden treasure. Many years ago, a kind king ruled the village. He loved his people and wanted to keep them safe. One day, a fierce enemy came to Old Town. The king hid all the gold and jewels in a secret place. He wanted to protect the treasure from the enemy. After the battle, the king and his people celebrated their victory, but the king became very old and forgot where he hid the treasure. Many villagers searched for it, but no one could find it. The story of the lost treasure became a legend. Years passed, and a young girl named Lily lived in Old Town. She loved history and listened to the old tales told by her grandmother. One day, while playing in the forest, Lily found an old map. The map had strange symbols and a big X. She thought it might lead to the treasure. Excited, Lily invited her friends, Tom and Sarah, to help her find the treasure. They followed the map through the forest, over hills, and across a small river. Finally, they reached a big oak tree marked on the map. They dug under the tree and found a wooden chest. Lily and her friends opened the chest. Inside, they saw gold coins, sparkling jewels, and beautiful crowns. They couldn't believe their eyes. They ran back to the village to tell everyone. The treasure belonged to Old Town, and they promised to share it with all. The legend of the lost treasure became a story of friendship and adventure.